Welcome back to Preservation Travels with Wayne and Kevin. Well, you liked it so much last time that we thought we'd come back. We are again in Port Gibson, Mississippi, showing you another incredible, affordable Victoria.
Welcome to 1010 Church Street, a historic residence nestled in the heart of Port Gibson, one of Mississippi's most storied small towns, famously described as too beautiful to burn because so many of its buildings survived the destructive sweep of the Civil War. Port Gibson's rich architectural tapestry reflects centuries of Southern life, and this gracious home, built around 1900, stands as an enduring testament to that legacy. From the moment you arrive, 1010 Church Street invites you into a world where generous proportions, thoughtful design, and historic charm meet everyday comfort. Just behind the home sits a former church building facing Chinquapin Street. Whether you see it as a studio, workshop, event space, guest house, or creative retreat, this additional structure enhances the historic footprint of the property and gives you a rare opportunity to reimagine layered uses on one remarkable lot. Step inside and you'll discover an interior that blends classic architectural elements with livability. High ceilings and multiple fireplaces create a sense of warmth and presence, while the spacious kitchen offers ample cabinetry and workspace for daily life or entertaining. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home spans over 3,200 square feet and features a light-filled, open living and dining area perfect for gatherings with family and friends. But this property's story extends beyond its walls. Church Street itself is historic, one of the town's oldest corridors shaped by decades of community life and lined with venerable churches, synagogues, and heritage structures that make Port Gibson unique. The area once known as Cotton Street became Church Street because of the remarkable number of places of worship that grace this route, each with its own architectural and cultural significance. The primary suite, with its own full bath, provides a private retreat, and 3 additional bedrooms offer flexibility for family members, guests, or even a dedicated home office. As you explore this home, you're not just seeing a property, you're stepping into a piece of Port Gibson's living history, set within a community filled with architectural treasures, historic churches with stories reaching back to the 1800s. Whether you're a lover of Southern architecture, a fan of historic neighborhoods, or simply someone dreaming of a home with character and space to grow, 1010 Church Street offers a compelling blend of historic roots and modern livability. This is a place where everyday life feels timeless, and every room holds the promise of a story yet to be written. Outside, the generously sized yard invites outdoor living and weekend gatherings under the southern sky. The shaded landscape and quiet, family-friendly neighborhood offers space to roam, play, and unwind, a soothing backdrop that resonates with Port Gibson's relaxed pace of life.
Thank you so much for joining us on Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin. So this house is for sale. Let me remind you that Lane and I are not realtors. We do not represent this house, nor do we guarantee it in any way. But if you think you could be the next steward of this incredible Victorian home, the Zillow link is in the description below. Please give that realtor a call and jump on this incredible house. Now, also let me remind you that in Natchez, Mississippi, March the 11th through the 22nd, Living History Natchez is having our tour of homes. So go to our website, livinghistorynatchez.com, decide which weekend you want to come and which events you want to see, and join us in Natchez, Mississippi for our tour of homes.